Mr. Major, here we are at VP Parts on a Saturday morning.
Surrounded by Volvos.
Exactly.
And here's a Volvo that most of the viewers have never seen.
All right, what is it?
It is a PV 445, but it's obviously missing something, which is missing the roof.
Yeah, where's that gone?
So this car is a 1953 model. And there was two companies, I think, that made them. There was Ringborg that made this one. Then I think they made 15. And then Volvo, they were the company in Norrköping. They made, I think, 20 of them. So this is one of 15 cars.
Convertibles?
Yeah, and it's basically a PV, but some parts of it are from Duet. I think they used a Duet chassis on this car because they needed it to be really stable.
Right.
So a few bits and bobs, and also the doors, and I think the boot area and the wings are made with wood.
Is that right?
Well, like a wooden frames.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, because it's quite complicated to build this car.
So so they've taken inspiration from Morgan cars a little bit, yeah?
A little bit, yeah.
All right.
So yeah, I mean, it's really nice how it's done.
It is, yeah.
It looks like a factory car.
Aha, so it's not factory?
It's not factory, no.
Right.
Volvo never made them. But you could take it to a coach builder. Right. And there was only two coach builders that made them. I think 38 of them they ever made in this cabriolet version.
Got it.
And if I show you another, if I go down here with me, come. You can see this one is done on a, this one's just been made, sort of homemade.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it looks a bit different from the other one, yeah?
Yeah. So this one has been like, cut. That one's been coach built.
Aha, got ya. Because that one sort of sits a bit different, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can see everything on that car actually fits in.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Johan Lyberg. I work at VP Autopart and I do all the cutting on the vinyls and the skin and rubber and everything. This is all for interiors, yes, and roof and
So
what you sit on the floor, matte floors, everything.
So you get orders from all around the world, yeah?
Yes,
yeah,
we sell it to all the world.
And this is where it's all done then, yeah?
Yes, I cut out this and put it on the tables and put them out there and they go up to the woman who sold them down.
Okay.
Excellent.
So this is basically a digital cutting machine.
Yes, I have 3 different knives.
Yeah.
A rotation knife, a cutting knife, and this other knife here, and this one. I also have this one.
So this one we look at now, what's this for? What's this?
This is for Amazon.
On Amazon, yeah?
65 years model.
Okay.
And it's for the front seat.
Okay, front seat. Oh, okay, so all the parts are basically cut, and then how do you build them? Do you sew them, stick them?
So after this, after I have cut them out, I go back there to this that you put
like a
heat on and make this Arande på svenska.
Yeah, okay.
Ja. Svetsare.
How long has this machine been here? VP Parts.
Since January last year.
Oh, right. So this is the latest version of a machine that you've been using, yeah?
Yes.
What did you use before?
They have an older machine with
Was that more like a pressed out?
with vacuum, and it put down.
Yeah.
And they have these stances over there. They put a lot of things in the stances, but this machine makes everything.
Everything, yeah.
No. So we have taken the stances away.
So this basically is half the time.
Yes, better than the half the time.
Yeah.
It's very good.
So basically people are ordering red, and then it comes next. You can have a roll with beige or black or whatever.
Yes, we have all this.
Yeah, you can see. Look behind.
Allting finns ju bort här.
Perfect.
Yeah, and how long have you been doing this?
For 2 years.
Right, okay. So
I never worked with it before. This
You
I
never-
have
oh,
learned
right.
everything in 2 years.
Oh, right, great.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
So yeah, very impressive. I just want to show people exactly the process. This is where it all comes from, guys. You know, VP Parts, they have little sub offices all around the world, but this is the original. This is the head office.
If you wanted it like a one-off color, it could be done, but you'd have to ask.
Yes. It's one thing which I think is very funny in all this work. It's when I take off this, the thing who get away with, I put it in the Saab.
And this,
Exactly. Oh,
So the garbage is in the Saab,
Oh, right.
and they throw it out, and it goes to
Right.
burning.
Gary.
that's the
Yes,
big.
Gary, I do not.
He's not going to appreciate that.
No.
I know what you mean.
Yes. Yes. Thank you very much.
I am with Alexandra from VP Parts, and she's just going to explain to us what this section of VP Parts is all about. Alexandra?
This is the upholstery section where we sew all the seats and the carpets. And this is just an example of an Amazon of how many parts is in our front seat.
Right, so all this is...
This is the front seat.
Wow.
This is this seat, and this is the rear.
Okay.
And the back. Sorry.
So this is the first stage, yeah? These
this
are all...
is the first.
What happens after that?
Then you go to the machine, and we sew it.
Sew it all together.
Yeah. So here we have a finished product
Okay. Oh, wow.
of one of the seats.
Oh, wow. And is this product here, I mean, because like the design and everything, is this a design that's always been the same? Or has it been upgraded, or is it...
No, we try to stay as close to the original, both
Right.
in color and in
Texture and everything,
Yeah,
yeah?
thank you. The texture and the materials,
Right.
and we try to keep that old feeling.
Okay. All right, so after this stage, where do we go now?
Then we package it and we send it to the clients.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the customers, they often have an old car,
Yeah.
and it looks like this.
Yeah.
And it needs some TLC.
So you actually do reparation here as well, then? Eh?
No, we don't.
You don't?
We don't do any reparation.
So what is this then?
This is the old one.
Right. Okay.
So the customers take it apart
Yeah.
and they open up our little package
Right.
and they can assemble it.
Right. I've got you. Oh wow! Look at that.
Yeah. So this is the new rear seat.
Yeah.
So I've been working on it today just so customers can ask me questions about problems they
Right.
have, or many customers are afraid to start the
Right.
upholstery work
Yeah.
because they don't know if they can get it together.
Right. But I see it behind you as well, right? You got all of these different threads and stuff here.
Yes. These are threads that we found just so that we can stay as close to the original as
Right.
possible.
Okay. I see they're all numbered as well, so everything's going to be exact as well, isn't it?
Yes.
This is really interesting. What's this bit here?
This bit is a demonstration of finished products. We don't sell them. I've been doing them for our own project car.
Okay.
We have the panels for the rear panels. We have the seat that goes with the backrest. I've been doing there. We got some chairs, and we also left it open like this, just so people can check it out.
Yeah.
And touch it. And
very, very cool. How long have you been doing this for?
I've been sewing for about 20 years.
Wow.
Auto upholstery I've been doing for 7 years.
7 years, wow.
Yeah.
Well, it's, you know what, it's amazing to come to the home of VP Parts, because you know you guys you're known when it comes to Volvo. You guys are known the world out. You are the place, the go-to place, you know, and this is the head office. This is like VP Parts 001, yeah.
Yeah, of course it is.
Wow. Listen, Alexandra, thanks for your time. Thanks for showing us around. I know not everybody gets the opportunity to do this, but you know, we're here on VP Parts Day, and yeah, it's a pleasure for us to come by, and thank you for your time and showing us everything.
Thank you.
So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.